Hello, this video is going to explain how to access the syllabus, what the assignment checklist is, and how to navigate the different modules that I have on D2L. So the video before this explained how to get to D2L. Hopefully you all watched that. So now once you are on this page, what you're going to need to do is under Resources, click on Content. Once that page comes up, you're going to see over here on the left-hand side is where all of your navigation is going to be. So you're going to see that there's syllabus, the assignment checklist, I created a bibliography, and we have worksheets and that I will talk about in just a moment. But right here under syllabus, you will see that it has the Philosophy 6306, and this is your syllabi. Please open this up. It's a Word document and read over it. And if you have any questions about it, you can email me. The only thing that off the top of my head I can think of is the policy on there about in class, and you are only allowed to miss 2 in class, but obviously this whole thing because of coronavirus is going to be remote, so that does not apply to all of you. But everything else is in there. Modules, explanations are in there, overall explanation of what the objectives of the course is and the description and so on and so forth. What I really want to show you here is under Assignment Checklist. So here I ask that you download this and either print it or save it or have it somewhere near you, because on here is a I'll show it to you. What I've done is I went through and put, in module 1 and what the module is going to cover and the time frame, and then I put what is assigned and the due dates for that. So as you can see, some things are due on a Friday, some things are due on a Monday, and so on and so forth. So this assignment checklist is very important. It will keep you on track. Again, because this is we're now doing this remotely, I have things, due dates scattered. So again, most of them are on Wednesday, or pardon me, most of them are, the module opens up on a Wednesday, and then things are due on Friday, or they're going to be due on Monday or Tuesday. So please pay attention to that. Okay, the other thing that I wanted to show you is, just a second. Okay, so again, staying on the left, if you scroll down to the navigation on the left-hand side, you're going to see, again, the assignment checklist, bibliography. If you click on this, it's a Word document, and it has books that I have set aside that are on reserve, that are in the library. Obviously, we won't be able to use that until we do come face-to-face, which hopefully we will this trimester. Under that are worksheets, and I'm going to explain those. There's actually, right now you can see 2 of them. These worksheets you work on a lot throughout the trimester. So I suggest that you open those up, look at them, download them, and so on. And if you have any questions, let me know. The other thing that you're going to see here is I do have examples right here. So under Module 1, Experience. So I want to, and then we have Module 2, Module 3, Module 4, so on and so forth. And again, with all of the dates. So what I'm going to do in the next video is I'm going to explain to you Module 1 and what you're going to have to do and have due coming this week. Okay.